stop because I'm gonna.
No, you have to stop. Wait.
Are you almost done, Alan?
All right, let's go out.
Wait, I didn't do mine.
Okay, we'll do it.
Okay.
You overdoing it.
Drum roll, please. And
Very good. And that was Sarah and Alan doing the drum roll.